Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet boys bracelet designs. A crochet bracelet is a piece of jewelry made by crocheting yarn or thread into a decorative pattern or design. Crochet bracelets can be simple or intricate. They can often feature beads, charms, or other embellishments to add to their aesthetic appeal. They are typically worn around our wrist and can be customized to match different styles and preferences. Here are some tips for making crochet bracelet. Choose the right yarn or thread. Select a yarn or thread that is suitable for the desired look and durability of your bracelet. Thinner yarn or thread is often used for delicate, intricate designs, while thicker yarn can create a chunkier, more substantial bracelet. Use appropriate crochet hooks. Make sure to use crochet hooks that are compatible with the chosen yarn or thread. The size of the hook will affect the tightness and texture of the stitches. Experiment with different stitches. Explore various crochet stitches to create unique textures and patterns for your bracelet. Common stitches used in crochet bracelets include single crochet, double crochet, and chain stitches. Add embellishments. Enhance the appearance of your bracelet by incorporating beads, charms, buttons, or other embellishments into your design. These decorative elements can add visual interest and personalize your bracelet. Measure your wrist. Before starting your crochet bracelet, measure your wrist to ensure a proper fit. Adjust the number of stitches or rows as needed to achieve the desired size. Finish neatly. Take care to finish off your bracelet neatly by weaving in any loose ends and securing closures such as buttons or clasps securely. This will help ensure that your bracelet looks polished and professional. Practice and patience. Like any craft, crocheting takes practice and patience to master. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out perfectly. Keep practicing and experimenting to improve your skills and create beautiful crochet bracelets. Types of bracelets. Crochet bracelets come in various styles, including cuff bracelets, Bengali bracelets, wrap bracelets, and charm bracelets. Each style offers different opportunities for creativity and customization. Materials. In addition to yarn or thread, you can incorporate other materials into your crochet bracelets, such as leather cords, ribbons, or metallic threads. Mixing different textures and materials can add visual interest and dimension to your designs. Pattern and designs. There are countless crochet patterns and designs available for bracelets, ranging from simple stripes and geometric shapes to intricate lacework and motifs. You can find patterns online in books or create your own designs. Skill level. Crochet bracelets can be suitable for skill levels from beginners to advanced crocheters. Start with simple patterns and stitches if you are a beginner, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex designs as you gain experience. Customization. One of the great things about crocheting your own bracelets is the ability to customize them to your preferences. You can choose colors that complements your wardrobe, adjust the size to fit your wrist perfectly, and add personalized touches like in details or symbols. Gift and accessories. Crochet bracelets make wonderful handmade gifts for friends and family. You can create matching sets for special occasions or holidays, or make personalized bracelets that reflect the recipient's interest or style. Overall, crocheting bracelets is a versatile and enjoyable craft that allows you to express your creativity while making beautiful and wearable accessories. Whether you are a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, there is always something new to learn and explore in the world of crochet bracelets. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.